Students, today we are going to revise Lesson 9 Communication. Means of communication has brought people closer to each other. The various means of communication are post office. Today we receive and send letters through the postal system. Speed post and courier services have become popular in towns and cities across India. Students, do you know the hobby of collecting stamps is called philately? The telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. Through the telegraph, the message is sent in the form of codes consisting of dots and dashes. Telegraph services has been stopped in India recently due to the advent of mobile phones. Students, do you know why it is stopped? Because now SMS is very cheap and quick. Then we come to telephone. Remember, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. We could talk to anyone in India using STD, that is the subscribers trunk dialing facility, and to anyone in another country using the ISD, that is the international subscribers dialing. So you must remember these. Then we come to the smartphones that have advanced facilities such as touchscreen, internet, video recorder, etc. All this now you all are using, so you know it better. Then we come to radio, which most of us enjoy listening, and it was invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1874. Internet is a network of computers, and it is also the most popular means of mass communication. Through this, electronic mail or email also can be sent. Next we come to television. Television is the most popular means of mass communication. It was invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. Now we come to communication satellites. Satellites are sent into outer space by rockets. They revolve round the earth. They transmit and receive signals. Now the last one is the advertisements. Advertisements have a powerful impact on the lifestyle of people. They can warn us about disasters like flood, earthquake, etc. So we finish with the main points of this lesson. Now what you must learn in the word power is communication. Communication means sending or receiving message or information. Second one is mass media. What is mass media? Mass media is the means of communication that reach a very large number of people. Now the important points we will recall in this chapter is, in the early times, people used the messengers and pigeons to send and receive messages. Samuel Morse invented a machine called telegraph, which is now no longer used. The telephone is a very important means of mass communication. Newspaper, radio, and television are the most popular means of mass communication. Email is the latest method to send messages. Communication, satellites pick up signals and transmit them all around the world. Now students, we have already discussed the think and answer, so all of you must learn all the objectives given in this lesson and do your exam very well. So all the best for your exam.